Hello, in front of me I've got AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you where can you find Toolset location. To find Toolset in your car, take a look at the trunk. Right here, lift the floor up and Toolset is located here. On the right side we've got the lift, on the left side towing hook, right there we've got the sealant. Also there we've got additional keys. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.